Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So I'm just popping in my week 2 of using the acne.org regimen to show you guys what my face is looking like. Not in my week 2, after my week 2 of using the regimen. So I must say I did get new pimples again, new acne in my week 2. This and this one, these two here, right here. Is there another one? No, just these two right here. I got new acne here, and then this one too. I got a new acne here. Okay, no, just this ones here. I got new acne, but let me just zoom in and show you guys what my face is looking like first of all. Share this video. By the way, I'm also going to put a link to my previous video on this acne.org regimen, my 1 week update. If you haven't watched that one, you can also go ahead and watch and see what my face was looking like in my 1 week of using this product. So yeah, so if you see, my pimples have greatly reduced, and I would say vanished, apart from these two right here and that one right there, and a few. These ones are almost dried, they're all dried up already. So apart from these two that are active right now, these are my only pimple issues right now at the moment. And let me say the truth, I did cheat in my week 2. Remember, the regimen says you're not supposed to wear any type of makeup for at least 1 month. But I did wear some makeup last week, so I think that's the reason I have this too over here. But before I wore the makeup, I felt like my face was really thriving. This pimple right here, I got it yesterday because I wore makeup to church. And this one right here, I think I also got it yesterday. I think they both came out yesterday night because I wore my makeup for such a long time, from 8 in the morning until 9 p.m. or 10 or so. I'm not sure. It was such a long time. I guess that's the reason why I have this. So basically, this is what my face is looking at like in my second week. Don't mind all the spots because the treatment that I'm using right now is not supposed to clear the spots. It's just supposed to stop the acne. And then after 1 month, I would go on the AHA, and that's what's supposed to clear my spots. So for now, we're not doing spots. We're trying to get rid of the acne. Okay, so I'm going into my week 3 right now, so I'm just going to show you guys what I do, how I plan to do in my week 3. So in my week 3, I still plan to do the same thing I did in my week 2, just do spots treatment in the morning, and then at night I use more than the pea size amount. This is how I'm going to increase my dosage for the week 3. Spot treatments in the morning, at night, more than the pea size amount. Before, the pea size amount usually somewhere here, but now I'm going to be getting somewhere here in my week 3. Yeah, so this is the size I'll be using for the week 3. By the way, don't mind my eye. Yesterday I went to church and we had this baby shower, and I ate a lot of combination of different type of rice from different African countries. I bet they're all manifesting in my eye right now. So let me just go ahead and do. So I'm taking the benzoyl peroxide. That's the benzoyl peroxide right here. I'm taking it, and then I'm doing my spot treatment. So apply it wherever I feel like I have active acne. So these 3 spots are where I'm applying it, and also on those dried up ones. Just put it here, and that's basically what I'm using. So that's basically what I'm applying. So I'm gonna allow it to sit for some time because it says you have to allow it to oxidize, allow it some time to oxidize before you go on and apply the moisturizer. So I'm gonna allow it to oxidize, and then I'm going to apply the moisturizer. So we've been oxidizing for quite a while now, so now I'm going to apply the moisturizer. So I usually use 1 pump in the morning, and at night I use 2 pumps. So 1 pump in the morning like this. Okay, and then I distribute it all over my face. I use 1 pump in the morning because I don't want to be feeling all greasy and all, and besides I didn't apply a lot of benzoyl peroxide on my face, so there's not a lot of dryness, but I would need more than 1 pump at night. because I would be applying more than a pea size of benzoyl peroxide on my face at night. So you would need a lot of moisturizer if you do that, because the benzoyl peroxide is super drying. I don't want to be looking like dried leaves. By the way, if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this video. And that's basically it for week 3. Yeah, so that's my face.